Hello there, we're up to day 185 of 365 days of art in nature. And today we have a quote for our creative muse today by Sylvia Plath. I felt my lungs inflate with the crush of scenery, air, mountains, trees, people. I thought this is what it is to be happy. And what a lovely, lovely quote that is. So today there is no specific direction for your artwork today, but maybe have a think about that quote, and if you feel so inspired, maybe you want to sketch up a landscape, something that makes you feel happy. Enjoy that one for today. Thanks for watching.